Hello, I'm Jason Harrington, President and CEO here at Lakes Regional Healthcare, and wanted to make you all aware that effective Monday, June 1st, we'll be loosening some of our visitor restrictions here at Lakes Regional Healthcare. I think as most of you are aware, over the last several weeks, the governor has reopened a number of services and activities within the state of Iowa. In our particular case, we've had a relatively low spread of positive COVID cases thus far, although, again, there's a limited amount of testing, so I would suggest to you that there's probably a number of unconfirmed cases in the community. But having said that, we've decided to loosen up our visitor restrictions. And so that will include, any of our inpatients here on the campus will allow one visitor per day. Those visitors will be screened when they come in. One visitor, not one visitor at a time, but one visitor per patient per day. Has to be the same person each day. So they'll be screened at the door, they'll be asked to wear a mask, they'll be asked to isolate themselves specifically to the patient's room except for coming and going, and asked to social distance and wash their hands and all of the things that we ask you to do as part of being here. Clinic patients on the campus, also those that need assistance or those that need a guest to come with them to provide that assistance, we will allow one person under those same set of circumstances as well. We've recently, in fact on June 1st, we'll be adding the total joint replacements to our list of reopened surgical procedures. And so in the case of surgery, those patients will have that same opportunity to have that one person with them. The only exception to the rule on the campus, I guess there's maybe two exceptions to the rule. In our emergency department, we are still undergoing construction, which has impacted the size of our ER waiting room. That ER waiting room can maybe hold 3 or 4 visitors, social distanced and masked comfortably. If you come or bring somebody to the ER, we're going to ask you to go back to your car, and we will call you when you're able to come to the treatment bay if that's appropriate, or we will call you to give you an update in terms of your loved one. But we're certainly trying to protect the patients, the safety of our patients and staff, and you as you come to the campus. The other exception to that would be OB. So in the event of a birth, the mother is allowed to have one birthing partner and one family member. If that happens to be, the birthing partner happens to be a family member, then it would be that one person, again, with all of the requirements that I described earlier. So we understand that part of the healing process for many patients is having that family support or social support, and so we feel the time's appropriate given the circumstances to loosen some of those visitor restrictions. So wanted to make the community aware of that. We'll have additional information that we'll share in the future. We appreciate your patience and your support of Lakes Regional Healthcare, and I wish you all a good day. Thank you.